Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to bring you along today as I do part 2 of what TikTok made me buy / Amazon haul. Mr. Nasty Booty Bud. Hi. He's going to join us today. He has glued to my hip lately. He's very happy that I've got to spend some extra time at home. So he'll be our co-host today. So excuse me as I drink my coffee real quick because life is not life without coffee. I found this cup at TJ Maxx before quarantine. Now it has lip gloss all over it. But look how freaking cute that is. It's my favorite. I love it. All right, let's get into this. So I don't know if anyone has seen this, but there's this company going around on TikTok called Shop Miss A, and it's discount makeup, like super low prices, kind of like e.l.f. So $1, $2, $3 for different things. So I bought a bunch of random little things off of there to try out. First item is this pressed highlighter. It is the perfect iridescent white color. It's called Eris. Super pretty. Love that. I also got some of these Pow Lighter is what they're called. This one's a Moonbeam. They're actual pigmented shadows. So that one's really pretty too. And then this one is Cosmos. It's kind of a pinky color. That. I also got a bunch of lip liners because I'm trying to go for some more nude and neutral colors. So I got this one in, what color is this? Nude. So as you can see from the bottom, it's kind of a pinky nude color. And then this one is Faded. So that one's a little more of a pink purple tone, rose color. And this one is actually off of Walgreens. So someone recommended this on TikTok, and this is a nude color as well. So this is more of a like tan brown color. And then also from Shop Miss A, I bought a little blender ball. I'm always trying to change these out because I use them so much and they get so gross. And I just, even though you clean them out, they start to kind of smell weird after a while. So I just toss mine all the time, get new ones. Another thing I found on Amazon is this little set, and it's called Earnest Living. And it comes in a little box like this. And this one's actually says refrigerator friendly on it. So this box is for what's inside, which is a little kit that has a jade roller. So you roll this on your face. And what you can do is you can stick this in the box and put it in the fridge so it gets nice and cold. And then the first thing in the morning, right when you wake up, you roll it along your face to get rid of all that puffiness. Get rid of all those bags under your eyes, wrinkles. Feels so nice. So they give you a little box to put it in, which is so cute. And then if you're traveling with it, it comes with a little, what's that? Huh? Comes with a little travel bag and a cleaning cloth. So you can wipe it off, which is so cute. And the best thing about it is it also comes with a little jade gua sha. So you can run it along your, you can use it all over your body, but you can also use it on your face to help lift the skin. If you have like sagginess or in your jawline, you want to lift your jawline a little bit, you put some lotion on, rub it against it. Super amazing. You put that in the fridge as well. It comes in its own little kit, so you can just throw that in the fridge, which is so nice. I also saw this on TikTok, Bonacure. It's from Schwarzkopf. And it is a peptide repair. It's supposed to help seal ends for damaged hair. So when you're a blondie like me, you bleach your hair and it definitely gets brittle and dry. So this is supposed to help instantly seal split ends and prevents them from occurring. So hopefully this is the magic ticket to help get my hair a little bit healthier because I want it to grow long, 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 and it's just taking forever. It doesn't want to. So we'll try that. And then once I color my hair, I'm going to use this John Frieda Luminous Glaze. It's just a clear gloss to kind of bring some shine back to my hair. I've noticed it looking kind of dull lately. So it says just to use this as a daily use, shampoo and condition hair. while still in the shower and leave on for 3 minutes and then rinse and style as desired. Or you can apply the glaze to dry unwashed hair, saturate hair completely, leave on for 20 minutes, rinse and shampoo. So I'm going to give this a try. I also found off of Amazon, I saw someone on TikTok posted these. It's a lid and straw that go for your mason jar. So this is the mason jar I already had. And it comes with a kit with 3 lids and 3 straws. They're kind of like a wood. And they just suction right onto your mason jar and then put your little straw in. And they actually come with a little straw cleaner. So you can just put the little brush in there and clean that out. So I've been using that for my lemon water every morning just to help kind of detox my liver and flush out all the bad stuff. I also found this super cool. My dog does not like that noise. It's okay. Go ahead. It's for your phone and it actually follows you. There's an app on your phone, so it follows you when you're moving. So you can do like your little TikTok videos and it will actually pan whichever direction you go. So it tracks you. You just put little batteries in it, push the power button, log into the app and connect to the Bluetooth, and you're good to go. It's super fun. And it also has a little spot on the bottom that you can put it on a tripod if you're, wanting it to be up higher. So I'm going to start using those for some of my videos. So that's exciting. I also got this little flash drive. It's dual storage for iOS and PC. So basically you plug it right into your iPhone and you're able to download all your pictures onto this little flash drive. Well, not all of them. Depends on how many pictures you have. But the one I got is 256 gigabytes. So this is going to hold a lot of my photos. And it's just, I wanted to have it as a backup in case I ever broke my phone or something bad happened. I would have a way to make sure that all my pictures were saved. I know that they save to the cloud, but if your phone hasn't backed up that day, then you're going to miss the pictures that you had for that day. So I'm just going to get a bunch of these and keep all my pictures on it just, for safekeeping. So that's pretty awesome that you just literally plug it right into your phone. Another thing that I did, I'm so excited for this. It's the Il Makiage face makeup. So you take a little face test when you go on the website and it helps to custom match your foundation to what works for your skin, what works for you, what kind of coverage you want. So I did a little face test and it said that the Flawless Base Foundation is the one for me and in the color Woke Up Like This. So we're going to give this a try and see how this goes. I'm excited. I use every day Double Wear by Estee Lauder, and it is tried and true. I've used it for 10 plus years now, and I love it to death. But never hurts to try something new. So I'm going to try this, see how much I like it. I also got the Multi-Use Perfecting Concealer in Fuck It, I'm Flawless. Or Fuck, I'm Flawless is what the color is called. But it's just a nice little nude color. And it has a nice little brush on it. So I always use the Shape Tape. I always use the Shape Tape. But this one could be a good runner-up to it. We'll see. We're going to give it a try. Excited for that. I also found this person on TikTok and it said, go to this website and you'll get a free dress. I'm like, okay. So her name's Mickey Ray and it says, go on here, click the link and you'll get a free dress, whatever, blah, blah, blah. All you do is pay for shipping. Well, you go on there and you do that and the shipping is $14.99. So not a free dress. And yeah, we'll see if it's worth $14.99. $14.99 is still cheap for this maxi dress, but still, if you say it's free and then I have to pay just as much for shipping, well, it's not free. But it's this nice taupe color, super long, does have pockets, so that's cute. And this will be perfect for summer, slipping over a bathing suit. It's nice and soft. It's full length, so you can tie it at the bottom if you want. It's got good stretch to it. So we are going to give this a try and see if we like it. I'm loving my maxi dresses in the summertime. So we'll see. I also got a bunch of these little glitter palettes. They're for your nails. So I'm going to use these on some of my toes. when I do my pedicure. So I thought they were cute to add just a little bit of sparkle and shine for the summertime. So that's fun. And last but not least, well, I got 2 more things. So my Bodybyablonde teal and gray hats that I got in, I wanted a sweatshirt to match. So I went online and I found this, and it was on a wholesale website. This one's by Fruit of the Loom. I think I paid like $14 for it or something, but it's teal, but it also has a gray on the inside of the hood. So I thought this would match so cute with my Bodybyablonde hat. So now I have a matching sweatshirt for when I wear that, because I didn't have anything else to match with it. So now I do. And last but not least, I got sponsored by this company called Vegamore. And so they sent me 2 free products, and they packaged it so cute. It has a little note in here. It says, Chandra, we hope you love our products as much as we do. Enjoy. So they sent me a Grow hair serum, and it's supposed to restore, retain, and renew. Fill dropper completely and apply directly to scalp. Evenly disperse the serum and massage into scalp with your fingertips. Works best on dry or towel-dried hair. Can be applied morning or night. Leave this as a leave-in product. Style your hair normally. Apply daily for best results. So we are going to give this a try. I want my hair to get longer. So they sent that, and it's in this cute little tin, and it's just a little dropper. So you just pull it out, do your little drops. So cute and convenient. And then they also sent me a thicker, fuller, faster, advanced grow lash serum. So also could use some lash growing. So this is cute. Comes in a little tube here. Pull the plastic off of it. Maybe. See what the wand looks like if I can get it open. Okay. And voila. So, grow lash serum, grow hair serum. Let's get these hairs growing. I want that long, beautiful hair so I don't have to wear extensions all the time. I don't have them in today. This is my regular hair. And this little thing, it says, hi, beautiful. Thank you for making Vegamore a part of your growth journey. And gives you a little pamphlet of their whole line, before and afters. So we're going to give this a try. Thank you, Vegamore, so much for the package. It is packaged so dang cute, and I cannot wait to start using this. I'm going to color my hair this weekend, so I'm not going to start using this until after I color my hair, because once I color my hair and I start using this, you'll be able to see the growth from the grow out. So that'll be so exciting. All right. That is it for part 2 of what TikTok made me buy / Amazon haul / I spend too much money when in quarantine. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys. Mwah. And I will see you on the next one.